Okay, here we have an old school genie opener. This is a screw drive. It's essentially one big motor that turns a giant screw. These things are pretty old school now. They're from the early 90s most of the time. They come apart very easily. So, here's what we're working with. Logic board slides out like this. You can see it's a little burnt up. These things are kind of a wire mess, honestly. That's one of the little harnesses. It's got its own little logic board for the remote. It's got a capacitor, which is still surprisingly good on most of these. I'd say 90% of the time they are leaking. This one is not. This is the encoder on it. Take that out. There it is. This is all rusty on the inside, so I'm guessing this thing was seized up. It's pretty nasty. But I do like these motors with the red wire because they don't have any glue on them. Now this piece is cast aluminum, so to some people it might be worth taking off. I personally don't bother with it. I just chuck all this. But I do save this piece of aluminum. because it doesn't require nearly as much work to get everything off it. So what we're left with are two little crappy boards. Really nothing good on here. A little bit of aluminum, a motor winding, and some cheap wire, and this power cord.